Let's examine two powerful tools for media playback and streaming, Kodi and Stremio. While both allow you to watch movies, TV shows, and live content, they operate on fundamentally different principles. This video will clarify their core functions and compare them directly, helping you select the platform that best suits your technical needs and viewing preferences. First, Kodi. Kodi is an open-source media center application. Its primary strength is its extensive compatibility. It runs on nearly every platform, including Windows, macOS, Linux, Android, iOS, smart TVs, and even small devices like the Raspberry Pi. Think of Kodi as a software foundation for a fully customized home theater. It excels at local media playback, organizing and playing your personal library from network-attached storage or local drives. Its true power comes from thousands of community-developed add-ons, which enable features like live TV, streaming from various sources, and advanced recording functions. You can heavily customize the interface with skins and integrate it into complex home setups. Advantages: unmatched flexibility, powerful customization, and advanced feature sets. Considerations: the initial setup and add-on management have a steeper learning curve and require more time to configure than plug-and-play solutions. Second, Stremio. Stremio is also a multi-platform application available for Windows, macOS, Linux, Android, and Android TV with an accessible web version. Its design philosophy centers on simplicity and instant access. Stremio provides a clean, modern interface that automatically organizes movies and series. It uses official and community add-ons to aggregate streams from online sources. A key benefit is cloud synchronization. Your library, watched status, and settings are saved to your account and sync seamlessly across all your devices. Features like automatic subtitles and episode notifications are built in, and the platform can be set up in minutes. Advantages: user-friendly, fast setup, and a streamlined, syncable experience across devices. Considerations: it offers far less deep-level customization and system-level control compared to Kodi. Direct comparison. Kodi is the ideal choice for power users who prioritize total control, manage extensive local media libraries, or desire advanced integrations like live TV and home server builds. Stremio is the superior option for users who want a lightweight, modern experience focused on immediate streaming with minimal configuration. Both platforms are free to use. For ease of use, Stremio is the clear winner. For customization and advanced capabilities, Kodi is the leader. Summary: choose Kodi if you seek maximum flexibility and are building a comprehensive, customized home theater system. Choose Stremio if you prefer a simple, modern interface and want to start streaming content almost instantly.